Morning students, now we are discuss the topic cancer. Last class we discussed the risk factors of heart disease and how to prevent the heart disease. Cancer means cramp na nandan artham. Okay, cancer cause 4 million death in every year in the world. In the world there are 4 million deaths caused by cancer. It costs about 4 million equal to 10 lakhs, 4 million deaths annually throughout the world by cancer. In India, more than 1 million people suffer from cancer. In India, more than 10 lakhs people are affected by cancer. Cancer is derived from a Latin word. It is one more question. Cancer is Latin word. The cancer means crab. Cancer means crab. Cancer is a Latin word. Cancer means crab. The study of cancer is called as oncology. This is one more question. The study of cancer is called as oncology. Onco means cancer or tumor. Tumor na cancer katti அப்படினு சொல்லி பேர். ஓகேங்களா? Next, cancer is the abnormal and uncontrolled division of cells that invade and destroy the surrounding tissue, forming tumor is called as neoplasm. Cancer is otherwise called as uncontrolled cell division. That is called as uncontrolled cell divisions. Uncontrolled division of cells. Cancer is nothing but the cells should be uncontrolled cell division, should be grow faster, and also to go interior and destroy the surrounding cells and tissues. Cancer is uncontrolled cell division. It also destroys the surrounding cells, that is called as neoplasm. That is called as, it is the 2 mark question. What is neoplasm? Neoplasm is a cancer, it is a type of cancer. It is uncontrolled cell division. It also destroys the surrounding tissue cells is called as neoplasm. It is heterogeneous group of cells. Heterogeneous means different. Heterogeneous means different. It has different group of cells. Do not respond the normal cell division or brain. Do not result the brain control. The cancer cells migrate to distant parts of the body and affect new tissues called as metastasis. Metastasis means cancer that move to one place another place in our body is called as metastasis. The frequency sites of the cancer metastasis: lungs, bones, liver, skin and brain. The cancer cells move to one place to another place, affect new tissue is called as metastasis. Which tissues? Brain, skin, liver, bones and lungs. These are the structures to invade the cancer cells. Okay, once more reply. Cancer is, there are 4 million deaths around the world in every year. In India, there are 1 million people suffer from cancer. Cancer is a Latin word. Cancer means craft. The study of cancer is called as oncology. Next, oncos. Cancer is an uncontrolled division of cells that invade to the other surrounding tissues, that is called as neoplasm. It is a different types of cells do not respond to the brain activity or cell division. The cancer cell migrate to the distant parts of the body and affect new tissues called as metastasis. The tissues are lungs, bones, liver, skin and brain, etc. Next we can see the types of cancers. Cancer is 3 types. First one is called as, cancer is classified into basic tissues which is they are formed. Carcinoma. There are cancer produced from epithelial cells. Epithelial cells means skin, surface cells, skin and glandular cells. The carcinoma cancer present in skin and glandular cells. There include cancers of skin, lungs, stomach, brain. These cancer about 85% of the total cancer. Tumors and carcinomas. Carcinoma is a type of cancer. This cancer occurs in skin epithelial cells and glandular cells. They are produced from skin, lungs, stomach and brain. Brain cancer vanda adukku peru carcinoma. Stomach cancer vanda adukku peru கார்சினோமா. லங்ஸில் கேன்சர் வந்தால் அதுக்கு பேர் கார்சினோமா. ஸ்கின்னில் கேன்சர் வந்தால் அதுக்கு பேர் கார்சினோமா. It is a major cause for cancer. Major type of cancer is this type. About 85% of the cancer is occurs in carcinoma. Next, sarcoma. This occurs in connective tissue and muscular tissue. The cancer occurs in connective tissue and muscular tissue is called as sarcoma. They include cancer of bones, cartilage, tendons, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue means beneath the skin, and tendons means is a nerve and muscles. Cartilage means bones, small bones and long bones is called as muscles. They form 1% of tumors. It is one more question. 1% of cancer is sarcoma. Once more reply. Types of cancer. Cancer is 3 types. First one is carcinoma. The cancer occurs in epithelial cells and glandular cells is called as carcinoma. They are 85% of the total cancer. They are produced from skin, lungs, stomach and brain is called as carcinoma. Next one is sarcoma. It is occurs in connective tissue and muscular tissue. It occurs in bones, cartilage, tendons, adipose tissue. It is 1% of all cancers. The third type of cancer is leukemia. Leuke means leukocytes, that is blood. Mia means blood. It is characterized by increased formation of white blood cells is called as leukemia. It is in bone marrow and lymph nodes. Leukemia is called as blood cancer. It is most important. One more question. Which one is called as blood cancer? It is called as leukemia. The most common type of cancer is also affect children below 15 years age. The cancer 5 வயசுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்துரும். The last type is leukemia. Increased white blood cells is called as leukemia. It is otherwise called as blood cancer. Next, carcinogenic agents. Carcinogenic agents means what are the products that cause cancer is called as carcinogenic agents. Carcinogenic agents is called as carcinogens. It is one more question. Cancer causing agents is called as carcinogens. They are physicals, chemicals, ionizing substance, radiative substance, biological agents. Then see, physical irritant. Heavy smoking cause cancer. Heavy smoking cause lungs cancer. Heavy smoking cause lungs cancer. And oral cavity, pharynx cancer, larynx cancer, betel and tobacco chewing cause oral cancer. Excessive exposure to sunlight may cause cancer. Cancer causing agent is excessive exposure to the sunlight and tobacco chewing. Heavy smoking is physical irritant type. Next, chemicals. Certain chemicals cause cancer, that is called as nicotine, that is in tobacco. Caffeine, that is present in coffee. Combustion of coal and oils, pesticides, பூச்சிக்கொல்லிகள். ஆஸ்பெட்டோஸ் அப்படின்னா அட்டை போடும்போது சிமெண்ட் அட்டை. நிக்கல் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ், certain dyes, artificial sweetness induce cancer. These are the cancer causing agents. இதெல்லாம் கேன்சர் உருவாக்குது. ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் ஸ்வீட்னஸ், நம்ம பேக்கரியில் சாப்பிட்றோம் இல்லையா ஸ்வீட்னஸ், அந்த ஸ்வீட்னஸ், டைஸ் சாயங்கள், நிக்கல் போல்ட்டு, ஆஸ்பெட்டோ சிமெண்ட் அட்டைகள், பூச்சிக்கொல்லிகள், ஆயில் எரிக்கிறது, நிலக்கரி எரிக்கிறது, காஃபி அதிகமாக குடிக்கிறது, நிக்கோட்டின் புகையில அதிகமாக சாப்பிட்றதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டீங்கன்னா கேன்சர் வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட், ரேடியேஷன்ஸ். Ionizing radiations like X-ray, gamma ray, radiative substances, non-ionized radiation, ultraviolet rays, it can cause DNA damage and cause cancer. Next, biological reasons. Cancer causing virus is called as oncogenic virus. It is one more question. Cancer causing virus is called as oncogenic virus. Next, we can see the carcinogenic agents. Carcinogenic agent is called as carcinogens. This first one is physical irritant. Chemical smoking and tobacco chewing, excessive exposure of sunlight is cause cancer. Next, chemicals cause cancer. Chemicals are nicotine, caffeine, coal, oil and pesticides, asbestos, nickels, dyes, artificial sweetness are cause cancer. Next, radiations. X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays, these are cause cancer. Next, biological agents. Certain virus cause cancer, that is called as oncogenic virus cause cancer. Okay, thank you students.